Hi everyone and welcome back to Reja's Home Decor Ideas, the place where creativity meets modern designs. Today we are diving into the one of the hottest on trend 2025, modern TV wall designs that will completely change the vibe of your living room. From sleek floating TV cabinets to custom wall paneling, ambient LED lighting, built-in shelves, and minimalistic layouts, these trending TV wall designs are taking over social media and modern interior everywhere. Whether you are working with a small space or a large open concepts living area, we have including ideas that are not only stylish but super functional. So stay with me till the end because I am going to share clever design tricks and layout inspiration that can instantly elevate your home even on a budget. And hey, if you love keeping your space stylish and up to date, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon because we upload fresh decor videos every day. Let's jump into the most stunning, modern and stylish TV wall ideas for 2025.